Hi, I'm Gayatri Sharma. I'm a stage and film actor. I have acted at the national level in the Emmy Award winning web series Delhi Crime for Netflix. I've acted in web series Decoupled, also for Netflix. I've acted in a one-hour short titled I Remember, where I play the lead role of an Alzheimer's patient. At the international level, I have acted in the Edinburgh Fringe Festival on stage for an Indo-British collaboration titled I Am Your Love Story, the play. And I've also acted in National Theatre of Scotland, Glasgow for a Hindi play, Bargad ki Chaon. I'm now collaborating with Ekoda Productions so that we can introduce students to the realities of professional acting and along with equipping them with creative skills, also to know the business of acting and how to promote yourself and to ensure a successful acting career. So hurry up, limited seats. Gorike, deri no koribo.